Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up this D18 FitPro smartwatch. So first you have to remove it from this pack and then remove the watch itself. Then open this. Here is where you have the stripes. You understand? So this is the charging part of the watch. As you can see, here is the charging part of the watch. So the watch didn't come with any charger, so this is how the watch comes. It doesn't come with any charger, so you have to charge the watch with your own phone charging cord. You understand? So for you to charge the watch now, you have to remove your normal phone charging cord and shove the charging pad, you plug it on it, then it will start charging immediately. So let me show you guys how it charges with my power bank. So now you plug it on power bank, it will start charging, it will vibrate and start charging. So you see how it charges now. So don't show you guys how to charge it. So when you're done charging it, just put the stripe back, you understand? Just this is the rightful side. This side are somehow rough is the right side, you understand? This is the right side and this is the negative side. See? So then you shove this one too. So as you get it now, this is your watch, this is your smartwatch. So you can remove the plastic that's in front of it, you understand? So then you can wear the watch, so but before that I want to show you guys how you can easily operate this watch. So first, when you bring this watch, it will be off, you understand? But when you put it on charge, it will automatically comes on. But when it is off, as you bought it, this is on how to turn it on. Let me show you how to turn it on. So I'm powering it off now. So if it comes like this, you understand, you have to just press on this side, it will come on, you understand? It will come on this side. So maybe if you find it difficult to power on because they don't show any analog right here, you understand, this side that doesn't have sort of like the gold something, so opposite it is where you can be able to power it on, you understand? This side, you understand? So after you on it now, here is soft touch analog, you understand? Just press it on this side, it will come, you will be going. So here is to check, to remotely control your phone camera. Here is to look for your phone. So first I will show you guys the application to connect this watch with. The application name is FitPro. So first you have to go to your Google Play Store. Here is my Google Play Store or your Apple Store. Then search for FitPro, FITPRO. So I've already got it downloaded on my phone, so they're asking me to, but you haven't downloaded, just click on here, you download it. So I've already got it downloaded on my phone. Let me show you guys how it works. So if you open the app now, this is the app. When you open the app, it will ask you to agree on the usual protocol. You agree on it, then this will pump up, then you have to click on allow. So the app will automatically open now. So you see the app have opened. So this app, how the apps looks. So if you want to connect the watch now, you have to come right here, the right set. Right here, the right set. This is how it will be first when you open the app, but you can right here, the right set. Then you'll be able to see this bind device to experience more features. Here is where to connect it. Connect the phone to the watch. Just click on it. You'll start searching for the watch. So this is the watch now. You see D18. So just click on it. You will start connecting. You connect 4 times. So please subscribe to my channel. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe. So now you have connected. So the arrow that show right here means that the watch is connected. The chain, this thing that is showing like chain, means that the watch is connected now. So if you want to know if the watch is connected again, you can just come right to the set, to the set part, then you click on find. Click on find, it will vibrate on your hand. You see it vibrate. Click here again, it vibrate. You see it vibrate. So it means that the watch is connected now. So the next thing for you to do now is to come here, right here, the right message push. just click on it on the message push section, then you enable the call reminder, so that when someone calls you, you can easily be able to receive the notification right here. You see the name of the person that calling you or the number. So right here you have to press on allow. You will set successfully now. So you enable the SMS, allow, so you can be able to read all your messages on the watch too. So you can enable WhatsApp, other thing that you want. Okay, this feature is now available on this device. So with time, if it give you this response, when the app stay long on your phone, it will get, it will get connected, you understand. So you can be able to your phone will enable that feature, you understand. So now the way this watch looking now, first you have to go here. Here's for step, it's connected already. Here for step, long press on it, just put your hand boldly on it, and when the watch is connected to your phone, the time and the date will automatically set. So you see the time have set already. So this is the current time now. The only thing that you need for this watch to be connected to your phone is only the Bluetooth you need to leave on. So you see now 2:36 is the same time. So right here you have to come right here. This is for the blood pressure. This is for the blood pressure. Long press on it, you move from the blood pressure section. Then here for the spot. Here is for steps. Okay, here is for steps, and here is for skipping, and here is for sit-up. As you can see, here is for sit-up. Long press on it, it can show you how long you spent. Here for the message section, you understand. So long press on it, you can be able to see all your messages. So right here on the steps, let's check. Here is some more. Here is to remotely control your phone camera. So you have to enable the feature on the phone. You have to click on this allow. On the camera section, you have to enable it on this remotely control phone camera, so that you can be able to take picture with the phone. Don't just press it one time, you will take picture. So the picture will save right here. This is the picture we just took now. This is the picture. Just press it one time, you will take picture. So you have taken the picture already. So this is the picture that we just took right now, right here. So when you move on there, you can also be able to use it to look for your phone. In case your phone right here, you're looking for the phone, you can click on this here. Your phone will start alerting. So you see, it will show something like blanket is looking for your mobile phone. Blanket is looking for your mobile phone. When you find the phone now, just press OK. The noise will stop. So here this step is, you have the section here too on this spot. Long press on it, you see the step. Long press on it, so you start counting, how many kilometers that you are covered and the time. You can see, you can also use it for jogging. Long press on it, you will move on there. Then here for skipping, long press on it, you can be able to see the time. This is the seconds, here is the seconds, here is the minutes, here is the hours. So long press on it, you move on there. Here is for sit up. Here is for messages. You want to check all your messages, long press on it. You can be able to read all your messages right here. Long press on it, then you'll be able to move on there. Here's for the settings section. Here's the code to download the application. Here is where to reset the watch. Here is where to turn off the watch. So you want to turn off the watch, long press on it, you turn off the watch. So this is all for the watch. You can set the time. Here is 12 hours time zone. You can also set it. You see, today is Monday. You can set it to 24 hours. So you will show like 14. So if you don't like this time, you can set it to 12 hours time zone. Awesome. yeah, I think 12 is okay now. So this is on how to operate it. It only has small analog around here that you can be able to use to press it to operate the wash. So this is it, all for the wash. This is all for the wash. Then after that, you can just easily wear your wash. You easily wear your wash. So you can see I have the wash on my hand now. So if you want to operate it, just touch on it. You see, once your blood pressure, long press on it, you check all your blood pressure. You see it's showing like blue light under. It's checking my blood pressure now. So when it's done, it will also show me the current BPM here. It's also checking right here. You see it's checking under, it's checking here too. You see, when you're done now, it will show me my current BPM. So this is my current BPM now. It's about 79 over 124. The same thing here. The same thing here. You can see it too here. You see the same thing here, 79 over 124. So this is on how to connect the wash. After you're done, just this and add. After you are done, you only need to leave the Bluetooth on. You can call off your data. Just leave only the Bluetooth on for it to be connected. Then you minimize the app. Just click here. You minimize the app. Then your watch is connected now. Anytime you want to check your time, just press press here. You see your time. You understand? So this is it for the D18 FitPro smartwatch. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.